Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset our oil life, our service, our maintenance, or whatever it may be. So we're gonna cut the car off. So if the car is on or if the car is off. Alright, so now it's off. We're gonna turn the car on. Once it's on, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it off. And then we're gonna come over here and press this right here. This is the button we're gonna use to navigate throughout the system. So once I press it and it go right there, I'm gonna press it and hold it now. It start blinking, I'm gonna let it go. Then I'm gonna press it one time. And then once you press it one time, it's gonna mark clear and it's gonna reset, and that's all it reset to 10,000. So they want you to change your oil every 10,500 miles or 9 months. So on this Mitsubishi Outlander. So this is a 2020, but if your Mitsubishi look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure no matter what year it is. And that's how you reset your oil life or maintenance or service. With that said, guys, peace out. See you next time. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together.